Imagine acquiring a vast territory, almost doubling your nation's size. In 1803, President Thomas Jefferson made this happen with the Louisiana Purchase. This monumental event reshaped the future of the United States. But how did it all unfold? The Louisiana Purchase covers approximately 828,000 square miles. It stretches from the Mississippi River to the Rocky Mountains. This land belonged to France, but was ceded to Spain before 1800. Jefferson feared France, under Napoleon Bonaparte, would control this territory and hinder American westward expansion. In response, Jefferson sought to secure New Orleans. This city was crucial for trade along the Mississippi River. He sent negotiators to France with a budget of $10 million. The goal was simple: buy New Orleans and surrounding areas. Here's where the story gets interesting. In a surprising turn, the French offered the entire territory for $15 million. Jefferson was taken aback. This opportunity was too good to pass. However, he worried about the constitutionality of such a deal. Despite his concerns, Jefferson moved forward. He believed the benefits outweighed the risks. The Senate ratified the treaty in October 1803, and the purchase was finalized. This deal reshaped American geography and politics. Let's break down key events. First, the U.S. negotiators, Robert Livingston and James Monroe, offered $10 million for New Orleans. Second, Napoleon, needing funds for war in Europe, countered with the full territory. Third, the Senate ratified the deal quickly, ensuring the land was secured. This acquisition had far-reaching consequences. It facilitated westward migration, sparked exploration, and significantly boosted the economy. Lewis and Clark's expedition to explore the newly acquired land showcased the nation's commitment to growth. Picture this: settlers traversing the vast plains towards new beginnings, inspired by the American dream. The Louisiana Purchase was a turning point, fostering a notion of manifest destiny, believing it was America's fate to expand across the continent. In summary, the Louisiana Purchase of 1803 transformed the United States. It doubled the nation's size, secured crucial trade routes, and opened endless opportunities for exploration and settlement. Now, if you want to learn more about pivotal moments that shaped America, subscribe to our channel. Join us as we explore history's fascinating transformations together.